Have you ever tried to study, but your mind keeps running away? One moment you're reading, the next you're thinking about 1,000 things. Why is it so hard to stay focused? The Buddha once said, "The mind is hard to control, but with effort, it can be trained." This is not just about studying for a test. This is about learning how to master your mind. And once we do that, we don't just get better grades. We become stronger, calmer, and free. Our biggest enemy when we study is not the subject, it's our own mind. It jumps from thought to thought. It looks for something more fun, more exciting. It gets bored, tired, or even scared of failure. In Buddhism, this is called Mara, the voice inside that pulls us away from the path, the voice that says, "Give up, it's too hard, do it later." But here's the truth. The more we follow that voice, the weaker we become. The more we face it, the stronger we grow. In Buddhism, we train the mind the same way we train the body, through daily practice. When you sit down to study, don't think of it as a boring task. Think of it as training your mind, just like a monk trains in meditation. Focus is not something you're born with. It's something you grow, moment by moment. Each time you bring your attention back to the book, you are becoming more awake. The Buddha said, "Those who can control their mind will be free from suffering." That means when you control your focus, you're not just learning, you're finding peace. Sometimes we can't focus because of our feelings. We feel lazy. We feel like it's useless. We feel we're not smart enough. These are called kleshas, negative emotions that cloud the mind. But you are not your feelings. They come and go like clouds. Your true mind is like the sky, clear, open, and peaceful underneath it all. When a negative emotion comes, don't fight it. Just breathe. Watch it. Let it pass. Return to your task. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to come back again and again. What if studying wasn't just about school? What if every time you study, you are training to become a person who is calm, focused, and strong? In the Buddhist scriptures, it says, "Just as gold is purified by fire, the mind is purified by effort and practice." That means when you keep going, even when it's hard, you are burning away your weakness. You are becoming pure, steady, and bright. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are just learning to master your mind. So don't give up. Each time you return to focus, you are getting stronger. Each time you say no to distraction, you are becoming free. This is the Buddhist way. Simple, strong, and full of love. If you feel this message in your heart, type "Let's do it" in the comments. Let's walk this path together. Let's grow strong, calm, and clear, one breath, one page, one moment at a time.